University. Mr. Goldburn there again. I'm glad to see all of you. But before me begin chat up the things them, me go give one shout out to the Jamaican Language Unit up at the University of the West Indies. Why? Because of them I help with the language, man. Yes, man. And them I help with. So, big up on yourself, JLU. Enough respect. Now, you remember how me did greet you in my first video? Well, at that example there, me go use to teach you how to greet one another. So, here what me ask you to do. Just watch the first video again. But for you to use it, you have to take out feminine and anything when you apply to uno. Then put in fi uno name and fi uno country and tell fi uno story. I hate that. Yes, man. I so now go learn fi chat Jamaican Kriyuol. Me go show you something. Just wait. Look panda book here. It say easy steps to learn Jamaican Patwa. Patwa or Jamaican Kriyuol are the same thing. I may go use to teach one other lesson today. May go up on page 24. Good. And that's how we find the vowel. I may go choose one other vowel today. May go choose E. E. But remember, are the sound we are deal with. Yes, man. The sound. I it are the key to Jamaican Kriyuol. So, what do E look like in a Patwa? Wanna think of this one? No, sir. This one say eh. But this one say E. So these are the real E sound in a Patwa. Now, look on some word where have the E sound in a them. Uno look good. Teach, sheep, people, breeze. You know, when the breeze blow and the time hot, but you don't feel nice because the breeze cool and it cool you down and it make you feel better. Again, I'll make sure you get it, man. Teach, sheep, people, breeze. Remember now, are the sound we are deal with. The sound. I it are the key to Jamaican Kriyuol. I will put something we chat about today, you know. Me a tap now. Tap and catch on a breath. Check Amazon fi see me book.